might be Saturday,
2 hours.
but class is in session at the University of Chicago Charter School. Nonprofit The Hidden Genius Project is hosting its Brothers Code Tech Workshop in Chicago, bringing the budding tech industry to people of color in the city's Woodlawn neighborhood.
It's super dope to see that we're not only bringing it to more people from where I'm from, but it's expanding and it's molding to the experiences and the needs of children across the country.
The organization works in the Bay Area, Los Angeles, Detroit, Atlanta, and now the Windy City for the very first time.
We train and mentor Black male youth in technology creation, entrepreneurship, leadership skills to transform their lives and their communities.
Eric Steen is a Chicago native and is giving back through the Hidden Genius Project. He says the organization is building a foundation for success for these young minds.
We want to provide them with a safe space to kind of pick up some industry-ready skills and also give them the opportunity to build community with each other.
During today's workshop, students learned how to code, explored careers in tech, and networked with career professionals.
I wanted to sign up because I thought it was fun.
Kieran Giron Bay is an 8th grader who enjoys coding. He says he got into coding a couple of years ago and wants to build upon that creativity with the Hidden Genius Project.
I like making the characters because I would make like a character from scratch and then have it say something real funny or do a dance.
That ingenuity, hard at work in the next generation.